Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to install the speed control box on your mini trimmer. The speed control kit for your mini contains the speed control box, the motor, the belt, pulleys, screws, and wing nuts. You will also need the toolkit provided with your trimmer. Note that the following required tools are needed but not provided: 5/16" Allen wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a ruler. Start by making sure your trimmer is turned off and unplugged. Remove the belt cover. Using the 5/16" Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts holding the motor. Once you're about to remove the 4th bolt, hold the motor with your other hand. This way you'll be able to remove the belt easily. With the provided Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 bolts holding the switch faceplate. Then remove the 2 mount screws. You can now remove the motor and switch box. Install the new motor and lock in place with the 4 bolts. You will need to install new pulleys. You can use a rubber mallet to tap the pulley onto the shaft. Using a ruler, make sure that both pulleys are properly aligned. Lock with the 2 set screws. Repeat the process for the second pulley. Now you can install a new belt. You can use a flathead screwdriver to guide the belt inside of the pulley's groove. Install the speed control box onto the existing holes that held the switch box. Use new screws and wing nuts to secure the speed control box. Connect the control box to the motor. Note the pin on the plug. Reinstall the belt cover. The speed control box is not waterproof. When it is time to clean your trimming machine, unplug the speed control box and remove it using the wing nuts. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.